As of lately, there's been something missing, but I just can't seem to figure out exactly what it is that I'm missing. There's a hole in my head and I'm trying to think, but the thing is I got stuff on my left and I have stuff on my right, but nothing seems to be in the middle. And I can't seem to figure out exactly what it is that I'm missing. Still don't know. No luck. Oh, doorbell. Alright, ladies and gents, today what we got here is an ASUS gaming monitor, to be specific, the VG248. This bad boy, the main reason why I got it is because of this right here. 144 Hertz or refresh rate. My GTX 1080 is actually capable of pushing out high FPS in a lot of games that I play, including Overwatch, Rainbow Six, PUBG, Fortnite. So since my graphics card is able to push out such high FPS, this monitor is going to be able to match that FPS up to 144 frames per second. Essentially, whenever I play games, it'll be a lot of better sharpness, smooth, and no screen tearing at all whatsoever. It's going to be amazing. We're going to do a quick unboxing. I'm going to set it up on my computer desk and we'll see how it looks and turns out. So let's get to it. That was probably the most easiest and fastest unboxing I've ever did. This monitor looks gorgeous! Whoa. Excellent. Well, that about wraps it up, guys. So I did play some games just to see if you guys were able to See, from my point of view, the 144 hertz ASUS Gaming Monitor. I did play 3 games: Overwatch, Rainbow Six, and Fortnite. If you look at the top right of the screen, you will see the FPS counter or number showing exactly how many frames exactly I was getting using the monitor. I typically set it to where the max is 144. That's typically all I need. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, stay tropical.